So another YouTuber asked me to check the play on the track extension arms that stick out right there. So I've got them all the way out right now. I've got all the weight on the tracks. The blade is up. So let me just set this here. And like that. Maybe I'll go up here. You can see it. Be shaking it. You can see watch the arms down there. There's no play in that whatsoever. Nothing. So what I'll do is I'll start it and then bring them in. There's a flat plate that keeps them not even extended. They don't even move. Oh, there's nothing. So I don't know. Mine don't have any play. It's not to say that there's anything wrong with that other machine. It's just not as tight, I guess. So I don't know what to say. I don't pull mine in ever because I got tons of room. I'm not going in between buildings. So that's about it. Yep. Hope that helps.